Hello, and thank you for taking time to check out our review here at Subaru Saskatoon. We are located at 417 Circle Place. Today we are looking at a 2022 Hyundai Palisade Ultimate Calligraphy. This Palisade comes with a remote start, block heater, a set of winter tires on steel rims. It has seating for 7 and sits on 20-inch tires. The powertrain includes a 3.8 liter V6 that produces 291 horsepower paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. On the outside of the door, we have proximity key features, and on the inside are memory seating, window, mirror, and door controls. This vehicle has telescopic steering wheel, gray Nappa leather for the seating, and detail panel sunroof. On the left side of the wheel, we have Bluetooth and audio controls, and over on the right are cruise controls and a nice 12.3-inch full digital instrument cluster. Moving over to the dash is a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment screen that has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation. Below, we have audio, climate, gear shifter, drive select modes for whatever conditions you may encounter, and the seat and heated steering wheel options. In the second row of the Palisade are the ventilated and heated captain chairs, climate control settings, and USB charging ports, and easy third row access for extra passengers. In the rear are backup sensors, backup camera, and power tailgate. As you can see, lots of cargo space and easy access power folding seats for more utility. Thanks again for watching this review with us at Subaru Saskatoon. Come check us out at 471 Circle Place and check out all the other options available on this 22 Palisade.